The sun bear is a species in the family Ursidae occurring in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. It is the smallest bear, standing nearly 70 centimeters at the shoulder and weighing 25 to 65 kilograms. It is stockily built, with large paws, strongly curved claws, small, rounded ears and a short snout. They are excellent climbers, and they spend a large amount of their time in the trees. Little but mighty. The sun bear might be the smallest of the 8 bear species, but it is still a powerful animal. Its bite is strong enough to tear through tree bark, and long, 10.16 centimeters claws are good tools for climbing. Adults are about 120 to 150 centimeters long and weigh 27 to 65 kilograms. Males are 10 to 20% larger than females. This species is in drastic decline. There could be less than 1,000 of these bears left in the wild. Sun bears, the smallest of all bear species, have a unique U-shaped crest on their chest and are found in Southeast Asia. Sun bears are known to be very aggressive and may attack without apparent provocation. Except for females with cubs, the bears are solitary, although there is a suggestion that same may form long-term monogamous relationships. Litters are of from 1 to 3 cubs with no apparent set period for mating or birth. Those claws and canine teeth are handy weapons in a fight. If a predator were to latch on during a struggle, the sun bear can turn in its loose skin and bite its attacker. Sun bears are very intelligent animals. They use complex facial movements as a form of communication. They can memorize where things are, and they use all their strength, sense of smell, flexibility, and physical attributes to their utmost advantage. Sun bears have an incredible sense of smell, thought to be several thousand times better than that of humans. The sun bear is the smallest, most arboreal, and least studied bear. It is the second rarest bear species, after the giant panda. Their name comes from the pale horseshoe shape on their chests, which is said to resemble the setting or rising sun. No two markings are the same. Sun bears are omnivores, and bees, beehives, and honey are their important food items. They also feed primarily on termites, ants, beetle larvae, bee larvae, and a large variety of fruit species, especially figs when available. When foraging, sun bears tear open hollow trees with their long, sharp claws and teeth in search of wild bees and honey. They also break termite mounds and quickly lick and suck the contents, holding pieces of the broken mound with their front paws. They consume figs in large amounts and like to eat them whole. Females give birth to 1 or 2 cubs weighing about 280 to 325 grams each after the gestation period that lasts around 95 to 174 days. Cubs are born blind and hairless. Initially, they are totally dependent on their mothers and suckle for about 18 months. After 1 to 3 months, the young can run, play, and forage near their mothers. They become independent at 2 years of age and reach reproductive maturity after 3 to 4 years. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.